skip over to our lettering here and want to show you how we're going to do that with our backstitch. So we're going to start at the end of our P. And as much as we can, we're going to try to keep our stitches about the same length. So I'm going to go to about here. And then I'm going to come and I'm just going to trace this line. So imagine your thread and your needle almost like your pen. We're going to share the hole. And then we're going to come up here and back down and share that hole. We do want to make sure that we're sharing the hole. So here I'm going to make my stitch just a bit shorter to go around this curve. Because if we don't share our hole, it's going to end up looking like gaps in our text. So again, I'm going to make a smaller stitch here as we go around this curve. Because if we do it too big, we're going to lose the shape of it, and it's not going to look like a pretty curve. Okay. And then I'm just going over this last stitch to connect with, or over this stitch to connect it with the last stitch. There we go. And oh, I think I've got a little knot on the back. Yep. Well, there we go. So I'm just going to keep tracing this just like I would have written it. So I'm going to continue. I'm going to go all the way around here. I'll skip over and use some little stitches to go around there. Here, circle around. Again, some little stitches. And you're just going to go all the way over.